The Fossibot F116 Pro represents an ambitious attempt to merge everyday smartphone functionality with action camera capabilities in a compact 4.05-inch rugged package. Set for a March 2026 Kickstarter debut, this pre-release unit stands out with its integrated 1/4-inch tripod mount, the same mounting system GoPro uses, paired with a physical shutter button and advertised image stabilization. The trade-off is bulk. It's double the thickness of conventional phones to house its 3700 mAh power cell. Display-wise, you're getting a 4.05-inch screen delivering 540 by 1168 pixels at a 120 Hz refresh rate, adequate sharpness with fluid motion. Performance comes from MediaTek's Dimensity 7300 chip, which posts Antutu scores between 650,000 and 870,000 for general use, but struggles graphically with GPU numbers of just 97,000 to 147,000, making it unsuitable for gaming. The upside is efficiency, with 3 to 7 watt power consumption translating to extended recording sessions. Memory and storage are solid at 12 GB and 256 GB respectively, with microSD expansion up to 1 TB.
For imaging, Fossibot equipped a 48-megapixel camera with an expansive 152.6-degree ultra-wide lens, matching GoPro's widest setting. They tout both optical and electronic stabilization, though spec inconsistencies alternating between 50-megapixel and 48-megapixel listings raise eyebrows. More troubling is the absent sensor size specification, crucial for action camera evaluation. By contrast, GoPro's Hero 13 Black uses a larger 1.19-inch 27-megapixel sensor capturing 5.3K at 60 FPS for $399, while DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro features a 1.13-inch 40-megapixel sensor recording 4K at 120 FPS for $349, both offering 10 to 20 meter waterproofing with battle-tested stabilization. Durability credentials include IP68/IP69K ratings plus MIL Standard 810H certification, meaning protection against dust intrusion, submersion to 1.5 meters, pressurized water jets, and military-grade impact resistance. The software is Android 16 out of the box, though only 3 years of security patches disappoints compared to Samsung and Google's 7-year commitments. Connectivity covers dual 5G SIMs, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, and 33W rapid charging. The ideal audience includes outdoor workers, recreational adventurers, or minimalists seeking a backup device, but that 4-inch display is limiting for primary use in 2026. Text input, media consumption, and productivity tasks will suffer. Within the compact rugged category, Unihertz's Tank Mini costs $299 with a 4.3-inch display and 5800 mAh battery, but lacks camera mounting. Ulefone Armor Mini 20 Pro at $250 provides a 4.7-inch screen and 6200 mAh battery, yet only supports 4G. The F116 Pro distinguishes itself with superior processing power, 5G capability, and action camera integration.
Red flags include undisclosed sensor dimensions, ambiguous video specs lacking frame rate details, absence of real-world footage samples, and zero third-party validation. Price will be decisive. Under $250 becomes intriguing, $250 to $300 stays competitive if performance holds up, but anything over $300 encroaches on established action camera territory. Kickstarter backing means accepting inherent uncertainties, shipment delays, specification modifications, or outright project failure. Only contribute if you grasp crowdfunding realities, aren't time-sensitive, can absorb a potential loss, and genuinely want to back innovation. Expect 3 to 6 month postponements as standard, with early batches frequently exhibiting quality control issues. My advice? Hold off until independent testing emerges. Allow early supporters to field test it and monitor for authentic video samples. The concept genuinely addresses an underserved niche, but successful implementation is what matters. Currently, we're working with manufacturer marketing rather than verified data. Maintain enthusiasm for the idea while questioning the assertions and demand proof. Should camera performance prove respectable and pricing remain below $300, this could serve outdoor enthusiasts or as a supplementary device. For main phone duties or serious content work, explore alternative options.